Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to increase your font size inside Google Docs. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so I'm going to open up Google Docs and you can see this is what the font size I've currently it's set to. So in order to make it larger and a bit easier to read, what we can do is head back and then click into our settings app on our device. And now from settings, we want to scroll down and click onto where it says display. Once you're inside display, again, navigate lower and look for font size and style. And then under font size and style, it's going to say font size. If we move this font size slider to the right, it's going to make it larger. Or if we move it to the left, it's going to decrease the font size. So just have a play around this slider, how large or how small you want it. So I'm going to keep it kind of near the end and make it larger for Google Docs, make it easier to read. So now if I head back to Google Docs, you're going to see my font size has been increased to what I just set it to. And it is a lot easier to read for me now. So yeah, just have a play around that slider and choose the size you want it to be set at.